Well, I got one of these screwdrivers, the part that holds the screw bit in there. It broke in several places and fell out, so I don't know where it went. I mean, as cheap as these things are, it's best just throw it away and go get you another one. But what I'm going to do today, since I've got some time, it's raining outside and whatnot, I'm going to try to fix it. Anyway, 5/16 nut. Probably a metric would fit better, but we have to drill a 27/64 hole through here for this to fit in there. Then we got to figure out a way to cut a notch in there for these two little dumaflachis here, because when it goes in you don't want it to turn. So let's drill some holes. Well, since this is not a high-tech drilling job, got a couple of paint stirring sticks in there to kind of keep that in place while we drill a hole. So let's see what we can get here. We did get through it. I know it's going to be hot, so. Okay. Well, it's not quite big enough. I need to go the next size bigger. I need to get maybe I'll just get a round file. I mean, it does not like but just a hair. But then I still got to figure out a way to how I'm going to cut these hoop nannies in there. So, all right, let's do some fancy round file work. Yeah, it's just got a little bitty shoulder on there. I mean, it's not big at all. That's going to be the easy part. Ah, there we go. Okay, we got it. 27/64 plus a little bit of a round file. Guess I am going to try the what you call thing here. Didn't even dent it. And I gotta find something else. Well, I'm out of battery. Oh. Look, you're there. Let's go in there. There's that one. I hope the holes are lined up, that's all I gotta say. Alright. Nope, by golly, the holes do line up, but the nut comes out, so I'm gonna have to epoxy that in there and see if it's gonna work. Well, I couldn't find my JB, so got some epoxy. Got that in there, got the thing glued in. Once everything dries, I'll run a drill bit through there to clean it out, so we'll be able to get our Phillips driver in there, and then we should have another good Phillips screwdriver until the next time I break it. So we will see. Like I say, at least I had something to do today.